Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my humble home in Livingston, Montana. My name is James Robert Boren, and I certainly hope this video finds you in good health and in good spirits. Let me come around here and get on the other side of this and say hello. I'm not going to stay here very long because I got a shotgun mic that's facing the other way on this iPhone. The reason being is it's got a wind shear mop, and I have to really turn up my voice because the mic is facing the other way. And what I want to do is I want to show you a landscaping project that I did for my wife. So let's stop burning daylight. Let's walk and talk, okay? Walk and talk. I turn this around, this should get a lot louder. It's one thing I hate is, when a person can't hear on these videos. Anyway, right here, this is my latest project. I'll get down there a little closer. And what this is, it's a rock patio. It's a place for my wife to raise flowers, okay? And I've been working on this off and on for about 3 weeks. And basically this rock right here, this ring, if you will, this is shale that come out of the Absaroka Mountains. There's about a ton of it. All this stuff I hauled in by hand, by the way. Okay? And that hexagonal stepping stone there is actually called paving stone, but I don't know exactly what they use it for, but I know what I used it for. Right there, that rectangular shaped stone, that stuff right there is called red stepping stone. All that stuff came from Ace Hardware, but not all of it. Okay, let me walk around here like this. If you're interested, there's 21 cubic feet of crushed marble in here. Crushed marble, 21 cubic feet, actually 21.5 if you want to get technical. Okay, might want to show you this. Oh, well, let me run some numbers down to you. This shale right here, like I say, came out of the Absaroka Mountains, and there's about a ton there. There's about a ton of stepping stone. There's a ton of sand underneath everything, embedding everything, and there's about a ton of white crushed marble. And there is a very interesting rock that I found years ago, and that bugger, let me tell you what, that thing is heavy. I'd like somebody to try to steal that. Took every ounce of strength that I had to be able to pack that and put it in place. Okay, simple as that. Let me make sure I zoom out here. But yeah, the wind is gusting out here. Sorry, I can't help that, man. Livingston, Montana's got some winds, let me tell you. But there she is, for what it's worth. What do I got? 3.5 minutes on this file. I like to keep them short. But there's 4 tons of stone. I hauled in every bit of that. Every stinking bit of it. I just finished up today. I'm really glad. I'm wore out. I'm sweating profusely. Just kidding. But yeah, this is a landscaping project that I kind of did for my wife. She deserved it. I confused her many times during this project because I kept changing my mind about how I wanted to do things, and it was kind of annoying her. But finally, me and her we came to a compromise, and I got her done. That's all there is to it. Okay, 4.5 minutes on this file. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And we shall see you on down the trail. Take care of yourself. Adios, my friends.